Hey friends of Fusion Millionaires, Gregory Pierre Louis here, the Backpack Entrepreneur. In this video, I want to give you an MT4 platform tour, okay? So I'm just going to click on the Hugosway MetaTrader 4 terminal, log into my trading account, and what happens when you first are 4 chart windows open up, each representing a different currency pair, okay? As you can see here is the euro dollar, the pound dollar, the dollar Swiss, and the dollar yen. Okay, 4 different chart windows, each representing a different currency pair. Okay, now the toolbars populated with many icons are located at the top of the screen. Right, I'm just going to scroll my mouse across the toolbars right here at the top of the screen. Okay, these toolbars right here. Okay, now below the toolbars on the left side of the screen is the Market Watch window. Okay, that's this right here. As you can see, it says Market Watch. This is the Market Watch window, right? 2 tabs are located at the bottom of the Market Watch window, okay? One tab is called Symbols, which shows this list here of currency pairs. And the other tab is called your tick chart, right? Now, this tab can be selected to show the current price activity of any of the currency pairs. So I'm just going to go ahead and select that. And right now it's showing the current price activity of the dollar Swiss. Okay. Below the Market Watch window is the Navigator window. All right. See, it says Navigator here. This is where you can view your account, a variety of indicators, expert advisors, and scripts. Okay. The Expert Advisors program is an advanced feature that can be used to implement trading strategies and automate trading. All right. And similar to Expert Advisors, scripts are programs that are executed upon request and intended to perform a single action. All right. Again, Expert Advisors and scripts are advanced features, and we'll get into more detail about them in another video, okay? Now, the terminal is located here at the bottom left side of your screen. And if you just tilt your head to the left and look at this area that's highlighted in blue, right, a little pale blue, you can see the word terminal here, okay? There are multiple tabs inside of your terminal, right, along the bottom here, as you can see. The trade tab, the account history tab, the alerts tab, the mailbox tab, amongst many others, all right? And you can click on each tab and get a little bit more familiar with the type of information that appears in that tab, all right? So we'll take the trade tab, for example. This is where open orders and trades can be viewed, all right, including the symbol of the currency pair, the trade entry price, the stop loss levels, the take profit levels, the closing price, and profit or loss, all right? And right now we're not in any trades, right? Currently we're not in any trades, so there's no reason to click on the trade tab. And the account history tab, on the other hand, lists all of the activity that has occurred inside of your account, okay, including closed orders, all right? And if you don't understand what any of this lingo means right now because you might be brand new, that's okay. I promise you, as you stick to it, as you just follow along, it just all comes together, okay? So the next thing I want to talk about are charts and settings, okay? The price charts can be customized to reflect your style and color preference, all right? All you have to do is right-click on any price chart. So I'll pick Euro USD here, the Euro dollar, right? I'm going to right-click on that price chart and select Properties to customize the appearance, okay? Boom, just like that. And you'll see several default color schemes appear under the colors tab, okay? Right here, all right? Here you have the option to specify colors for each variable, including the background, the foreground, the grid, as well as your bar colors and other things, okay? And the Common tab allows you to select certain features such as volume and auto scroll and things like that, okay? Boom. So those are your charts and settings. The next thing I want to talk about is templates, all right? Next thing I want to talk about is templates. Once a color scheme has been selected, it can be saved as a template, all right? It can be saved as a template. All you have to do is click on the template icon in the toolbar, right? So remember, we went across the top before, across our toolbars here, okay? And here is your template icon. See it says templates? When you hover over it, you click on that, all right? All right? So remember, once a color scheme has been selected, it can be saved as a template. You click on that template icon in the top toolbar and select Save Template. So we're going to do that, Save Template, right? And we're going to name our template MT4 Platform Tour, right? Just for the sake of this video. And click Save. Right? We just gave the template a name, and this new template is going to appear now in the drop-down list of templates, all right? This template can now be applied to any chart simply by clicking Template, right? By clicking the template icon right here, and you'll see, boom, MT4 Platform Tour, right there, all right? You can just select it from the drop-down list. The next thing I want to talk about is the price bars, all right? Is the price bars. You can also select how price will appear on each chart, right? So right now it's selected to bar charts, okay? What I focus on here is candlesticks, right? Inside of my Forex lifestyle, we focus on candlesticks, okay? And the other option here is line charts, okay? With a chart selected, you can click on the desired icon to apply either the bar chart, the candlestick chart, or the line chart, right? All you have to do is hover over whichever one you want, right? And click on it, okay? It's very simple. All right, and you see how it changed? We'll do that again. See how it changed? That's simple, okay? Now, this could be extremely helpful when you're brand new and still learning the function of each icon. Just hover over any of these things here. See that? Zoom in, zoom out, and we'll get to that, okay? All right, indicators list, periods, templates. We'll get to this stuff. All right, so the next thing I want to talk about are your indicators. All right, a variety of technical analysis indicators can be added to any price chart. All you have to do is click on the Add Indicators icon in the top of your toolbar. Here it is, Indicators list, right? You click on it, and just view the list of available indicators and make a selection. That's all you have to do, right? This menu can also be accessed by clicking Insert at the top of your toolbars here and going to Indicators. You'll see the exact same menu, okay? You'll see the exact same menu. All right, so you can go here, you see the same menu, or go to Insert, Indicators. Same thing, all right? Let's see. The next thing I actually want to talk about is your chart size, all right? Now, any price chart can be closed, maximized, minimized, or restored by simply right-clicking on the Charts tab under these windows, all right? You see these charts? See their tabs? So you can right-click, and it will give you the option to maximize, minimize, restore, or even close that tab, all right? And you can do that to each one. Just right-click on each tab, all right? And those available options are there for you. The next thing I want to talk about are the zoom features, all right? And you might find it helpful at times to be able to take a closer look at a price chart. All right. The top toolbars, zoom in and zoom out icons could be clicked to get a different view of the chart. So if we zoom in, you see it changes, we zoom out. It restores it back to the original feature. All right. And the zoom features are pretty much that simple. The next thing I want to talk about, which is highly important, are your time frames, okay? Are your time frames. And different time frames can be applied to a chart by either clicking on the periods icon on your toolbar or by selecting the desired time frame from the toolbar, okay? So this is the periods icon here, and you can click on whichever time frame you want to, okay? Or you can go here and choose the time frame that you want, all right? Now, if you were wondering, we'll go through these. M1 represents a 1 minute time frame, meaning each one of these candles, remember I said we use candles, so on the Euro USD, let me make it 4 again to not confuse you guys. On the Euro USD, I'll choose my candlesticks, right? We'll hover over it, candlesticks, I pick candlesticks. We'll zoom in so you get a better look at how these candlesticks look, right? And we'll go to the M1, all right? We click on M1. M1 represents a 1 minute time frame, meaning each one of these candles represents 1 minute, okay? Now we'll click on M5, and it might look a little different, and there's a reason why, okay? M5 represents a 5 minute time frame, meaning each one of these candles represents 5 minutes, okay? Now we'll click on the M15 time frame, all right? And the chart looks different. And M15 represents a 15-minute time frame, meaning each one of these candles represents 15 minutes, right? And we'll click on the M30 time frame, all right? M30 represents a 30-minute time frame, meaning each one of these candles represents 30 minutes. And again, the chart looks different, right? No surprises as we run through these, right? And I'll click on H1, and the chart looks different. And H1 represents a 1 hour time frame, meaning each one of these candles represents 1 hour, right? No surprises here. We'll click on H4. Chart looks different. H4 represents a 4 hour time frame, meaning each one of these candles represents 4 hours. Okay? Hope you're following along with me. And now we click on the D1, right? D1 represents a daily time frame, meaning each one of these candles represents 1 day. All right, 24 hours. And of course, the chart looks different from the other charts. Okay, and I hope it's starting to make sense to you now. All right, W1. All right, what do you think that stands for? W1 represents a weekly time frame, meaning each one of these candles represents 1 week. Okay, right? MN. The chart looks different. What do you think that stands for? MN represents a monthly time frame, meaning each one of these candles represent 1 month. All right, and they're just different time frames to give you a better perspective of the market. Okay, so we'll just go back to our H1 and zoom out to restore it back to its original state. Okay, you follow? The platform is not that difficult. Okay, it's not that difficult to use. A lot of traders like to watch a currency pair on multiple time frames, and there are reasons for that, but we won't get into those reasons in this video. This video is meant to be a platform tour. In later videos, you'll learn about technical analysis and things of that nature, okay? So the next thing I want to actually talk about are the drawing tools. All right, the drawing tools. And you can use a variety of drawing tools to enhance your market analysis. All right, objects such as vertical lines, horizontal lines, trend lines, channels, and Fibonacci can be drawn on your chart. All right, just to name a few of the tools. All right, and again, if you don't know the names, they're not making sense to you, you never heard them before, it's okay. It will all come together, okay? And each drawing tool has its own icon located in the toolbar, right? And I'll go through some of them here. Here you have the cursor, right? You have the crosshair. You have your vertical line, right? Your horizontal line, your trend line, your channel, right? Fibonacci retracement. You can write text on your chart, right? So that you can take notes. You can label, right? And there are a bunch of other shapes and things of that nature that that you can use on your chart, all right? And you can also find additional drawing tools by clicking Insert, right? Insert at the top of your toolbar and selecting from a variety of other ones here, right? Arrows, shapes, Fibonacci, channels, lines, and so on and so forth, all right? And you'll get more and more familiar with this stuff as you take action and go through it yourself, okay? Log in and go through some of this stuff. Hop on a chart, you know, click through different time frames, go through the market watch, and get familiar with the trading platform, all right? Eventually, you're going to be doing this on your own, okay? And last but not least, I want to talk about the connection status. It's located here at the bottom, right? At the bottom right-hand side, okay? You see it right here in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. It's a status icon that indicates if the platform is connected to the internet and capable of receiving market updates, all right? The red bars indicate that there's no connection, and the green bars indicate that there is a connection. And the number next to the red and green bars shows the speed of the connection, okay? All right, so to recap, in this MT4 platform tour video, we've gone over the market watch and navigator windows, the terminal, charts and settings, templates, price bars, indicators, chart size, the zoom feature, different time frames, drawing tools, and even connection status. Now, I know it seems like a lot, and it is, especially if you're brand new, it is. But there's no reason for you to feel overwhelmed because it all comes together eventually, all right? There's no reason for you to worry right now. It seems like a lot. Stick with it. Take this step by step, right? So I hope this tour was helpful and you have a better understanding of the MT4 platform, because the main reason I made this video is for you to be able to log into your trading account without the fear of not knowing what you're looking at. Okay? So I'll see you in the next video.